Hi guys, this is Manoj. I'm going to unbox the tripod from Paytm. Yeah guys, let's open up this package and see how the tripod looks like. Yeah guys, let me take this tripod out, and this is the package. Yeah, it comes with a bag. Let me take this out. Hey guys, and this is the thing which is inside the box. It has the tripod, the bag, and one mobile holder. Yeah, this is the tripod. Yeah, the tripod looks good. Yeah, let me see the review of this tripod. Yeah, the tripod looks nice. See, I had fitted the mobile holder on this. Yeah, let me see how high it can go. Yeah guys, and this is the first height, and let me see the second one. Yeah guys, and this is the height number 2. Yeah, this looks awesome. Yeah, let me see the maximum height of it by adjusting this one. Yeah guys, and this is the maximum height of this tripod. Yeah guys, it looks nice. Yeah, let me see the video. Enter my phone in this one. Yeah, see, you can see the videos is stable. Yeah, and I recommend this for YouTubers. And I also get some comments that my videos are shaky, so I bought this one, and I recommend you guys to buy this too at cheap price. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Give thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.